Okay, good morning students. Now we are going to see the second part of the unit 1. Okay. So continue of the second part of the unit. So the production system in artificial intelligence, that is the important of the AI. So one of the example they are using the production system and space representation and as well as various application of AI. So first example we will saw the AI of the production system. So production system is nothing but the model of computing used to AI is a simulated human problem solving using the rules. So rules based of the working memory of the production system in the AI. So what is the consist of the rules you're going to make upon the production system is a set of production rules, also called condition action rule. So that is a function is called as a if condition then condition. Okay, so the working memory is nothing but current state to the log state. Okay, so the control strategy is nothing but determine which rule to apply next, structure of the rule, and the production of the rule as its form is called it as a if condition and then action. So if is considered as a condition, then this is called it as an action. So it is both of the two rules is you are going to follow up the set of the production system in the AI. So condition is nothing but when this is true, the true is applicable. Action is nothing but the operation that changes the state. Okay, so we will see the types of the production system and as well as one example also. So the types of the production system is monotonic, non-monotonic, conflict resolution strategies. So monotonic rules is that don't delete fact, knowledge only grow. Rules may remove or modify fact, useful the dynamic system, required when multiple rules can fire. So if condition and then action, the two both of the production system rules, you are going to the types of the model of production system you're going to use in the knowledge level part and the dynamic system, and as well as what are the recommendations of multiple rules you're going to follow in the conflict solution. Okay, so the next example of the production system is 8 puzzle problem, water jug problem, 3 into 3 board of the random order. You're going to solve the problems. So what is the first stage you're going to solve is goal state and initial state. Initial state and goal state, there are 5 to 6 steps you're going to solve in the production system. Okay, so the initial state you can take it as a 8 puzzle problem or 3 into 3 board problem. They have given the 9 tile of the box, but one box will not be filled the number, it will the space they have given. So you're going to sort out that space box of the 9 tile. So that is a premium example you're going to solve in the production system in the step-by-step process. Okay, so the production rules you're going to apply to solve the state of the initial state and as well as goal state. So production rule, what are the functions are they? The blank space tiles, okay, left or right or up or down, anything direction, any direction of the boxes, you're going to find the function, you're going to find the space of the black space of the box. Okay, so that is a matter to find the function of the puzzle and as well as 3 into 3 board example, board problem also. So working memory is nothing but current state you have to solve the puzzle, and then control stage is nothing, strategy is nothing but apply rule until the goal state to reach. So you're going to how you're going to find out the function to solve the blank space means in the left, right and up, down, all these direction means you're going to apply some rules, production rules to solve the problem. Okay, what is the applications of production system here? So application of production system, they have given the expert system, game playing, decision support system, language processing. Okay, so first one is a rule conflicts, capability, knowledge, accuracy and maintenance, handling, uncertainty, looping and deadlock. These are and all applications you're going to what are the problem, you have to find the 8 puzzle problem or 3 into 3 matrix problem, anything else, but what is the application you're going to apply in the production system. So these are the criteria you're going to apply in the PS. So that means production system. Another example of the AI is using state space representation. So here also we can use the 8 puzzle problem, and then 3 into 3 board matrix also. Here also the 4 arrow of the function you're going to made upon, that is upward, downward, leftward and rightward. So state space representation in AI is nothing but the method to artificial intelligence describe all possible configuration states of the problem and how to move between them using actions or operators. So that is called it as a function you're going to make, or you're going to solve the state problem here. So state is nothing but configuration, all possible configuration. So how they are going to move from the initial state to goal state. So initial state to goal state is a moving of the method is called it as a action and as well as operators. Okay, it is a widely used search based problem solving. So that is called it as a state space representation using the AI. So what are the components of state space? You're going to solve the problem in steps to involve in the SP. SSR is nothing but initial state, goal state, states, operator, path, cost and search strategy. So search strategy is nothing but you're going to find the algorithm using means BFS and DFS, breadth first search and depth first search algorithm. And initial state, what the starting point you're going to find, and goal state, what is the solution you solve that problem. So state is nothing but all the problems or configuration of the system, what your rules you're going to apply in the state. And operators is nothing but action, and what are the action sequence will happen to solve the each and every levels. Okay, and path cost means you're going to find the movements of the upward to downward, and then you're going to find the minimum value to sort out the state representation problem. So this is one of the examples of given the 8 puzzle problem to solve the AI problem. Okay, so this is a state representation of AI 8 puzzle problem. So they have given one box, that means a 9 tile box. So one box is a black space or given they know, so that you are going to find. So that is a problem, you're going to find the function. So initial state, this is, so what is a goal state? You're going to find the goal state, you're going to find the solution of the goal state of this problem. So up, left, down and then right. So these are 4 subset of the function, which is you're going to find the first subset, the left to right and up to down, left to right and up to down. Again and again the step sequence of going to action and operators to performance in the 8% problem, and you're going to solve the goal state of this function. So how to operate the function to move the state space to solve the problem. Okay, what are the operator functions? You're going to solve the SSR. So operators is nothing but move blank to the up, down, left, right. We saw one diagram in the previous box. You're going to sort out these possible outcomes, and then state transition is nothing but applying the valid operation result to the new state. So that means the initial state and as well as you're going to reach the new goal state. So that is called it as a applying the operations to result in the new state. And then another example of SSR. So state space problem is massive solving, and then water jug problem, chess and tic tac problem. So all those things comes under you're going to solve in the operation and as well as state transition of the function to solve the SSR. So that means state representation, state space representation problem. So these are the steps you're going to involve to solve the problem. So the next one, what are the applications of AI in various industries? Okay, that is a third example of the AI, the unit 1. So lost function of the various industries, or what are the applications in a nowadays real time purpose of using the AI means healthcare, manufacturing, finance, retail and re-commerce, all those things they are going to experting the decision making, the good solution to solve the problems of using the expert. So artificial intelligence is a revolution of the humorous to the industry, but the automating the process, enhancing decision making, improving your experience. So past experience, and now we are going to prefer to the new export functions of the AI. So these are the examples of given healthcare, is one of the example of using the AI. That means disease dialysis medical image. So that means X-ray, MRI functions and all they are going to use in the AI model of the one of the good industries are going to using. And then drug discovery and development also, and virtual health assistant and chatbot also. These and all comes under the healthcare of the AI. And manufacturing of AI is nothing but predictive quality and industry supply chain optimization to assemble of all those things through the computer version of the machine. Okay, so the finance of AI is nothing but fraud detection and prediction. So coming to the banking part, and then algorithm training, credit score of the loan approval, customer support chatbot, all those things comes under the financial AI. So retail and e-commerce of the AI is nothing but the financial personally product recommendation, customer segmentation analysis, and inventory and demand forecasting of the virtual shopping and system. For example, Amazon, Flipkart, all those things you're going to purchase in the online shopping. No, so that is one of the AI various industries you're going to using the examples of real-time applications. Okay.